It's Mila's first time in the Jolly Jumper.
I can go in.
It's her first time in the Jolly Jumper.
Close, close.
Remy, I'm making a movie.
I want to see it.
Yeah. Look at Mila. It's her first time in the Jolly Jumper.
Look I feel.
What do you think, Remy? Do you think she likes it?
Yeah.
Do you think she likes it?
Hi, Mila.
Hi. Don't push her. No pushing. Hey, Mila, what do you think of that?
It's sleeping time.
What do you think of that, Mila?
It's sleeping time. Sleeping time.
Looks like you like the Jolly Jumper.
She smiled at me. She smiled at me.
Remy's taking a nap. Hi.
I'm staying awake.
You're staying awake?
Yeah.
You got your little doggy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like my little doggy.
Hey, Mila.
My little doggy was asleep
Hey,
somewhere.
Mila.
My little doggy was asleep somewhere.
There she is.
I'm off the edge of the bed.
There she is.
I'm off the edge of the bed, Mommy. I'm off the edge of the bed.
You watching Remy? Boof. What's your brother doing? Hi, Mila. What's he doing now?